My name is Etta Heisler, and I'm the Director of Programs here at the Ann Arbor Hands-On Museum and at Leslie Science and Nature Center. And we're here in the room where it's all happening. We're here with our incredible VIPs and family members. Round of applause for yourselves. And also with our viewing audience out in the galleries. And those of you at home, thanks so much for being here to celebrate and support this resilience, hard work, many, many failures, and the many successes of Domino World 2019. One more round of applause. Thanks so much for everyone being here. We're so excited, and we wouldn't be here today without the support of our incredible sponsors. I want to take a minute to say thank you to our chain reaction level supporters. Lake Trust Credit Union, you're here. Hi, good to see you. Thank you so much. And we also want to thank our direction changer level supporters, A1 Rental, Dominoes, and the Ann Arbor T-shirt Company. Let's have one more round of applause for those. Now, what I really want to do is give you a chance to meet the 2019 Domino World build team, and I'm going to let them introduce themselves. Guys, come on down.
Hello, my name is Brady Dolan. I'm a 15-year-old domino artist from here in Ann Arbor. I am the lead builder of this 35,000 domino event, and I am from the YouTube channel BP Dolls.
I'm Alex Coops. I'm 18 years old. I'm from Sioux Center, Iowa, and I'm from the YouTube channel Dax Dominoes. I'm Derek Coops. I'm 18 years old. I'm a domino artist from Sioux Center, Iowa, and I'm also Dax Dominoes.
I'm Ian Steiner. I'm 16. I'm from Ann Arbor, Michigan, and my YouTube channel is Lightning Domino.
I'm Chase Blanchette. I'm 18. I'm from Ellicott City, Maryland, and my YouTube channel is the RGM Guy 01.
My name's Conrad Decker. I'm a 15-year-old domino artist from Vancouver, Canada, and my YouTube channel is Twig.
Hi, I'm Joel Yenda. I'm an 18-year-old machine artist from Kingston, Ontario, Canada, and my YouTube channel name is The Invention 11. And this is Gabe Neese. He's a 17-year-old machine builder from Noblesville, Indiana, and his YouTube channel name is Sir Gabelock G.
Hi, I'm Lyle Broden. I'm a 20-year-old professional chain reaction artist from Leominster, Massachusetts, and my YouTube channel is Jack of All Spades 98.
Let's have a round of applause for our builders. Awesome. So we are at or even past the countdown time, so we're getting there quickly. Let me give you an idea of what you can look for as the topple begins. We'll have a series of chain reactions. The machines are set up on the tables around the edge of the room here, and then within the domino field, you'll see all kinds of structures, fields, towers, and walls. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Awesome. We're close to the moment that we've all been waiting for, so I want to give you a quick word of warning. There's a delay of a few seconds in the stream, which means that for folks who are here in the museum and watching at home, you may hear a double countdown as we count down inside the room and then outside the room. As this is the week of the 50th anniversary of the Apollo 11 landing, we want to make sure everyone gets a chance to count down. So whether you're here or at home, make sure you keep an eye on that timer. Are we ready to count down? Awesome. With no further ado, we'll have the domino builders take their spots. I'm going to ask folks in the VIP seating on the ends, if you'd like to stand up, you're welcome to stay in your spot, but stand up to see the view. And I'd like to invite Walter, our VIP winner, who has received the honor of starting the topple, to come on down. Yeah. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Guests, are you ready?
Yeah.
Walter, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Topple! Join the